Hey guys, so you're wondering if bone conduction headphones are worth it. Well, if you plan to use them for running or cycling, then the answer is yes. But for everything else, I'd skip it and get an actual pair of headphones. Let me tell you what I mean. These are the Shox Open Run SE headphones, and they're bone conduction headphones. What makes them different from regular headphones is that they transfer sound through your jaw joint. And if you ever used an electric toothbrush, then you might have experienced some loud vibration when it hits your teeth. Same idea here, but with music. The reason I got these is to test out how well they work. Spring is coming and I'm starting to join some running clubs. So I figured this might be a safe way to run while listening to music. And for running, they're exceptional. Since these headphones rest away from your ears, they don't interfere with the sound coming into your ear, which means you don't lose the directional hearing. This is important because when you're running out on the trails, you can be aware of when somebody is coming up from behind you. During my run, I noticed a huge difference between these and regular noise isolating headphones. The first is the noise isolation. Being able to hear the traffic and having awareness of my surroundings made me feel that much more confident while running. And although the sound quality was much better with the in-ears, I would only use one earbud, which means I would hear about half of my surroundings, and the other half is just music. Another thing I noticed is that the bone conduction headphones are really comfortable. Personally, I find them to be like wearing sunglasses, but backwards. In the manual, it does have some warnings about skin irritation, but I haven't experienced any of that yet, and I've been wearing them for 5 hours straight. When you're running, the sweat helps with the conduction between these and the bone, and so the music sounds a little bit better. Now, the first time I used these headphones, everything felt really confusing. Since the sounds don't go through the eardrum, instead they go through the bone, which makes it sound like it's coming from inside your head. The best description I would say is it's like playing music that's stuck inside your head, but at a slightly higher quality. If you own these headphones, a fun experiment is to use them with earplugs in. When you wear them, you can't pinpoint where the sound is coming from, but they do feel like they're coming from inside your head. And it's all really confusing at first, but I got over it after a few hours. In terms of design, it works, but the headband is a bit too long for me. So if I lift my head, then it would hit my collar. This doesn't really impact the functionality. The headband just gets pushed around, making the fit not ideal. Luckily, there's a mini version of these headphones, and that might work for some, but the only way to find out is by buying both the regular version and the mini one and seeing which one fits best. A better implementation would be to make some kind of adjustable straps, similar to those found on swimming goggles, so you can adjust it perfectly to match your head shape. I found the biggest downside to these is the sound quality. It sounds like a mix of being underwater and having in-ear headphones that aren't quite sealed in your ears. In other words, it lacks bass and it also lacks some of the detail that you normally expect while wearing regular headphones. It's worse than the free earbuds that you get on economy flights. Personally, I found these to stand out when you are in a very quiet environment. So for example, at the doctor's office, it's very quiet and I needed to hear my name being called. Another example is hiking through the trails. When we have runners running past you, you can clearly hear when they're coming up, and so you can make way for them to pass. An unexpected example was when I was eating. Because these rest outside of your ears, when you're chewing, they don't fall out. And since there's no major background noise, I can listen to my podcast really clearly. If you don't already own headphones and you want something to use for running or for when you're at the doctor's office, then these will improve your quality of life. They allow you to hear the world around you while also allowing you to listen to your music. But if you're looking for some general purpose headphones to listen to, then these aren't it, simply because the music quality isn't there. An open back headphone like the Hi-Fi Man Sandara would be a much better choice. All right, that's it from me. Thanks for watching.